In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to join Domino's Pizza Delivery Boy. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly join the Domino's Pizza Delivery Boy position. Now, Domino's has a specific website where you will be able to browse through all of the job openings and apply to be a pizza delivery boy. So to find this, all that you have to do is look for Domino's Careers. You can also alternatively go to jobs.dominos.com/US, but I recommend that you look for Domino's Jobs or Domino's Careers on Google, and you will be able to find this page here, Join the Domino's Team. All that you have to do here is scroll all the way up and you will find the option to browse through all of the job openings. Of course, you can also scroll down and read through all of these banners here, see the videos if you just are curious about how a Domino's career goes, but regardless, all that you have to do here is tap Store Jobs at the top. You can also browse through supply chain and delivery options, but for this video, I'm going to be focusing on store jobs. Now, you will notice that they have the title here. So for example, this first one is going to be Lead Administrative Assistant, and then you have all the other options. And you can already see pizza delivery driver over here. If you want to filter the jobs, just tap on this option here and then include under the keyword delivery. Now tap search and all of the positions should only be related to delivery. So as you can see, all of these are either going to be pizza delivery driver or just delivery driver. Once you find one that is nearby, or if you want to apply for multiple, all that you have to do is tap apply now. You can select learn more to get more information regarding this specific job. As you can see, make up to $25 an hour with tips, you have the description, and if this satisfies you, you have all of the qualifications and the requirements, just tap apply now. Once you tap apply now at the bottom, you will be redirected to another page where you can finish setting up the form and your resume. So in this page, you can apply with Indeed or even LinkedIn if you want, or alternatively, drop your resume here, which is optional. Alternatively, you will have to input all of these fields here. So you have your personal information, experience, education, you can include social links, and of course your resume at the bottom. Afterwards, you can send a custom message if needed, and then just proceed. For this video, I'm not going to complete because there's a lot of sensitive information, but this is all you have to do to become a delivery boy. I hope I was able to help you on how to join Domino's Pizza Delivery Boy. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.